So I already have some other modifications on this car. The underglow lights, I might post a video prior to this anyway, but I already have the light or the line or the wire for it, so I'm just testing it here. So I'm just connecting the power and all that good stuff to make sure the light cuts on. Normally I would tell you guys to do this before, but I already know this was going to work, so I'm just connecting the power to the headlight, seeing if it's going to work. But you do not want to put it to the headlight. I'll show you why towards the end of the video. So this light comes with some weird looking switch. That's what you see prior. I'm showing you here. Like you press up and down. It has like the instructions on there. You press it, long press it, and long press the plus button and long press the minus button. It'll go like different modes, which I don't recommend. I didn't know this came with this, but it is a cool feature if you're doing like at a car show or something like that. So we're gonna start with the turn signal lights. So I had to remove it. I already had the air box and stuff removed, so you don't need any tools for this stuff other than a flathead screwdriver technically. I might not even post the tools on here, but yeah, I'll show y'all what I do here. You need a tester or a light tester as well, but just showing y'all the basics of how easy this stuff is. All right, so I did add this to the headlight and it was flickering the headlight, or it was flickering this. So as you see, I have it right here to my headlight. So I had to put it to this 40 amp fuse. I actually saw this on a YouTube video myself, but just a heads up, put on a 40 amp fuse, which is that DRL headlamp. And it will cut on as long as you cut the car on. It won't cut on right now. So like, hit my key fob here. You can see it's on, but it won't cut on until the actual car is cut on. So even if I click the button, which I'll show on here, that goes to those lights, it will not cut on, but it will cut on when you cut the car on. So I'm not gonna crank the car up because I just cranked it up, but it does cut on when you crank the car up, so. All right, so that's gonna make it a wrap for the video. These videos I'm making are, it's like late December. Y'all ain't gonna see these videos till like early February, late February for the most part, probably until March. But other than that, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It's brother Mike Profit. I'm out. Peace.
for me, for me.